Hello all, this is Damini, co-founder of VMake Scholars. Thanks for watching Loanflix in Shorts. So there are so many videos and articles out there which list what to pack before you fly for your abroad studies. I'm sure many of you will be following that. Even if you miss any one of that item, you can still buy it abroad, maybe at a little higher cost. But there are three crucial things which loan applicants forget or mostly don't know that has to be done before you fly, else you'll end up in trouble. Number one, if your loan is still in process when you leave the country, you need to make sure that you give a power of attorney to one of your family members. This power of attorney will allow them to sign the loan agreement or other official documents on your behalf when you are not in India. So very recently, a student's father approached us mentioning that the bank is not releasing his son's first semester fee, which is due this week. It sounded like a panic situation because the father was like, hey, my son will be kicked out of the university if I'm failing to pay this fees on time. So on further questioning, the student's father told us that the bank is asking his son to come back to India to sign the loan agreement. See, it's not like there is no solution to this problem. The process can be done without son coming back and the disbursement can be done, but such a problem would not have occurred if the son would have left a power of attorney before flying abroad, because the loan was not sanctioned by the time he left the country. So make sure you do that. You can reach out to your VMake Scholars financial officer for the power of attorney format and the procedure to get it done. Secondly, you should open a bank account if you're going to leave the country before your loan is sanctioned. MOD or mortgage creation has to be done if your loan is not yet disbursed from the bank. This is applicable to those who have taken an education loan with collateral. If your bank is not cooperating with you in any of the above mentioned conditions, then you should talk to your VMake Scholars financial officer. They will speak to the branch manager and resolve your concern. But I won't suggest you to even go to that stage. You should start your process via VMake Scholars itself so that such problems don't even arise. With vast expertise in handling education loan applications wherein the co-applicant is NRI or applicant is already abroad, I'm sure our team will be able to guide you on this process without any serious complications. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to put it in the comments below and I'll get back to you for sure. If you haven't been assigned a financial officer yet, you can request a call back using the link mentioned above. And for your information, all the services of VMake Scholars are completely free of cost as we are funded and supported by the Ministry of IT, Government of India. If you appreciate our effort to bring this information out to you, and if you want to keep updating your knowledge on this topic, then you should subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular updates. Please like and share this video with your friends and colleagues who might be in need of funds for your abroad studies.
Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss any updates from us.